Good morning, students. Today, last day, I have told you about the revision test. So, I think you have seen that. So, it's compulsory for all. So, all of you give that revision test. I have given the steps also. How will you start your revision test? That is very simple. You have previously also you have done in the school also. I have told you the username and password. Anyway, again I have given the username and password. All of you note down your username and password and do that, give that revision test. Okay, so go through that video or image also I have given. So according to that you start your revision test. For that, first you have to go to the NIIT. There you give the www.niitngru.com and then you write your username, password, and go to the assessment. There you have to click on the school assessment, and then you can see a table. In the table in right side you can see take a test. You can see also the revision test of introduction to networking, and click on take a test and then you give the test. There are 10 questions, 10 or 12 questions I think. So each questions of 1 marks. So you give it and submit. You can see also the scores. Okay, so all of you give that test and your scores you write down in the group. Okay, so today I will tell you about the question answers and we will discuss today of chapter 1, introduction to networking. I think all of you have more or less all of you have got a book, so that's why today I am discussing about this chapter, question answers of this chapter. So all of you open your book if you have, and question number, introduction to networking, chapter 1. Okay, so fill in the blanks, true, false, and match the following. These three things you will try to do yourself. That is homework. And question answers I will tell you. First question you can see, what is a network? Okay, so that this thing you can see in the page number 7 you go. Yes, page number 7. There you can see what is a network. All of you have got the answer. Page number 7. A computer, first paragraph. A computer network is a system in which two or more computers are connected to each other. Okay, so these computers can share information and other resources. Resources means like monitor, printer. Okay, so these things they can share. Scanners, webcams. Okay, so these are the different resources. Next question, question 2, that is how does a local area network appears? How does a local area network appears? This answer you can see in the page number 9. Here, last paragraph you see that is written here, local area network. Okay, there you can see the answer. A local area network or LAN is the simplest form of a network. It consists of a number of computers located in a small geographical area. One of the computer acts as the server and other computers are connected with that server. In this way, it forms the entire network in a geographical area, same organization or in the same building. Okay, so that is local area network functions in this way. Next question is, how is a LAN different from a MAN? Okay, so this one you can see in the page number 10, that is wide area network. Okay, all of you have seen, got that. Here you can see wide area network and metropolitan area network is given here. So you write down this, you read this thing too, wide area network and WAN and MAN, and write the answers. Okay, like wide area network, MAN actually is for in one city, and wide area network, that is for across the country or even continents. Okay, so man is smaller than van. Wide area network often consists of multiple LANs separated by large physical distances. Here, individual devices are located far apart from each other and are managed by multiple system administrator, whereas man is a network of devices within a single geographical area, such as a town within a city. Okay, and two or more LANs are often connected in a MAN, which consists of multiple combinations of different hardware. Okay, so this is the difference between wide area network and local area metropolitan area network. Now next question is, list the different network devices. Different network devices, just you write down one or two sentences about each network device, like NIC, that is network interface card, then switch, hub, bridge, router. So these all devices you write down, that you will get in here. Yes, in page number 11 you can see. So there are different types of devices, network devices. So just write down one or two sentences about each uh, device. Next question is, what is a denial of service or DOS attack? Okay, so DOS attack means that is a threatening for computer. Here actually if the DOS attack in the computer, then it overloads the data so that you cannot access the websites. Okay, so actually the computers which are infected with malware and taken over by a hacker, that is called zombie computers. Okay, so these are often sent service requests to disrupt the functioning of a website. It attacks overload servers with data, thereby making a website inaccessible to a user. Okay, so it gives so many datas here in your computer so that you cannot access the websites. Okay, so that is the DOS attack, that is denial of service. Now one more question is there, just you write down, it's not in your book. What are the different types of topologies? What are the different types of topologies? I have told you the different types of topologies. I think you remember that, like maze topology, then ring topology, star topology. Okay, do you remember that? Bus topology. So these are the different types of topology, and just definition you write down, and if you can do, then you draw the picture. Okay, just definition and draw the picture. That is very simple. So that's all for today. And one thing is very important, that all of you give the revision test. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.